Hunters na naman to.
Kahit ano. Oh, okay.
Yung Fourth Alliance
Earlier
natin.
kanina no issue, diba?
There you go.
Oo, yun yung isa na kanina. At ngayon, sa kanila na naman. Ano to mga shark? Nice.
Back.
It might be wide to get a boss here.
Adobo hits.
Ano yung
Adobo hits boss.
Boss.
Adobo hits the boss?
No issue.
Kayo na, wala akong damage.
Wala akong gap.
Wala akong damage, pura ko buff, tsaka heal. Basic attack lang yung damage ko.
Flash race here.
Sleep pa ako. Full nga tayo dito.
Nice is here too.
Nice job.
Three shots are hit.
Oh, I said here.
Green, andito na din yung green.
Keep looking towards the entrance. Nice.
So this is what gatekeeping feels like.
What you do, man?
Some more pushing.
You feel like an asshole now?
Bombers.
Yeah, I feel like we're the assholes.
They're coming in.
Check it out.
Kill mana. Nice.
Yeah. Because like, there's the other guild are like, Raizo? What's Raizo?
Yeah. Zone him out. Just follow him. Yeah, they don't got that.
Oh shit. Ticket na ako dun.
Oh, you start skin.
Hey, boss is almost dead.
Nice.
Perfect. Get your loot, and then we're gonna go to Calzone.
Roll out.
Kawasan.
Yun dyan. Flying cows on.
Yung final eh. Yan, may Blessed Templar.
Who cloaks
So, baka may loot kayo.
Going Kozen.
Calzone.
Right side.
There's
Clear
a
mo
lot
na
of
natin.
people on the right side.
Check your food buffs.
Oh, let's get him! I want some kills.
Kill them. Here.
Oh, they're hurting me for the top.
We just farm these kids with this group. Make sure they're hittable and flash with this group here. It's mech, get in here. It's mech.
Oh, everyone's at cows on.
Yeah, let's go there.
I was on.
The Zerg will be lacking.
So you said Rams.
Go to our
The
far
east
right.
side? Far right, got it. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, we're gonna hold down the whole side.
Mm-hmm.
There's a small group north. Kill him.
Mm-hmm. Patay.
We get one of our.
Dandaan lang mag-press ng keyboard, baka mabutas
Oh
yan.
yeah, somebody.
Gigil na gigil eh.
Gin.
You can like just grab the skill and drop it on your car with no cooldown.
Ang daming guild summon dito.
Start hitting this boss. It's gonna be
Ay, mech.
Get away from it.
Oh fuck.
Are we?
Oh,
we're gonna wait for PvP.
Let's go.
PvP.
Okay, yeah. Don't burn it too.
Are we taking sides?
Just like one party.
There you go.
Oh, he's gonna kill me.
Which direction?
How do you block against that?
West.
Well,
West
we're
got it.
Okay.
By the stairs now.
Shot on the stairs.
Okay. Everybody look towards the stairs.
Towards the stairs.
Don't get too close.
Stairs.
What? Push to other.
Flashways up here. go. Okay, now push back north. Push back north. Look
Back
west.
north.
Look west. There's some people.
Sorry, mechanic.
They're coming in.
Saan ba si Kim?
Get these kills west.
Sky did.
Oh, nice.
People coming up from the stairs.
Look back towards the stairs. South.
Stairs.
Push the stairs.
Where's Grin? Oh, I see him. Okay.
Range hit the boss.
Let's head to the east side now. Make him push us.
We should put some fucking.
Oh, yun lang may mga damage.
Yeah, you see me right here up top right
Sa support ko lang si Sasuke dito.
Backline party.
You actually have a lot of numbers if you look at it.
Yep.
Oh, Zas, you can
That's
go.
good.
Please.
Mac.
Up, next.
Oh, fuck.
Yun na.
Small group in the grass.
West, okay. Get these kills over by the stairs. And then we're gonna push west.
Initial about the stairs.
Don't understand the match.
Uy, namatay si Sasuke.
Flash wave the stairs.
East side.
Yeah, we need to hold down these. Hold the east side.
My mistake, west.
Okay, west. Alright, we're pushing west now.
West. Entrance.
In entrance.
Yeah, Pax. Let's kill these guys.
Taps are here.
one behind us up top, by the way.
Tornadoes towards the west. Tornadoes. Don't use your flash waves when we need to hold in big groups.
Intruder.
Got some grin gathering on the stairs.
Na-pull pa.
Look towards pin 3. Look towards the stairs. South
Stairs.
side. Look south. There's Grin over here.
Patay ako nito.
Yo, we're gonna spread out a little bit here.
Okay, everybody, which direction? Look south towards the stairs. They're pushing. Flash waves south.
Stairs.
No, back shot there.
Namatay lang ako dul sa mechanic.
Okay, everybody gets these.
Hold our corner.
Yeah, go back. Get east. Hold this down. We need to zoning him out. You're gonna wipe us here.
Don't be scared. Back up out of zone.
Yeah, get out of zone.
And we'll wait for them to engage each other. And third party.
Okay, we'll start playing like that.
Wait for mechanic.
Do we want to put a teleport stone down where you are?
Yeah. Do you have a visor? Can you do it?
I'm running at the moment.
Everybody have to do
We'll hold
summon.
it. We'll hold it in the next push.
Labas muna tayo para hindi ma-drop yung contribution natin.
Hey, if you're spawning,
Group na lang.
It's the
North. Saan yung north? Main entrance?
Hold that area down. Next push.
Gotcha. After alliance is on the high ground.
They're just like sitting in between us here.
May mga sa taas.
Yeah, slightly. Boss.
Okay, it's Mac. We're gonna push in. 3, 2, 1. This group, let's go.
Okay.
If you're on the east side, don't push in too far. We're gonna hit this group in the back. Flash waves north. Get your kills. Okay, now pull back east.
Pull back.
Use tornadoes to help heal.
Oh, na-sleep ako.
Ooh.
If you're having trouble getting over there, just wait at the stairs when you get close.
Ang bilis ng kapoy ng backshot.
Get out of the zone now. Get out of the zone now. Get out of the zone now.
Yo, we need to heal.
Oh, guild summon. Guild summon.
Okay, this next push, we're gonna put guild summon. Guild summon. Okay, get ready for mech. Here. Pushing in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're pushing north. We're pushing north. Devastating smashes. And death from above. Here. Now flash waves. Flash waves north. Flash waves. Let's go. Okay, get your tornadoes out, and then we're peeling back out of this. And then take guild summon gate back. Oh, got put ours down.
Whew. Sheesh.
Yeah, these stairs are trapped.
Yeah.
We still have like when we're up top throwing everything they can down it.
Damn, backshot took over.
Okay.
Did they?
Let's
Yeah, they're number one now.
They killed us. So, we got. Ready?
Mechanic.
Is it on the Gear 7 gate or no?
Can you place that?
Me?
I'll put it down.
No.
Like, nope.
Going down downstairs.
Okay, this. We're gonna wait for play shots to push, and then we're starting to move in. Stay out of zone for now.
You should push over here in between these columns away from the stairs. Because that dude's just
We're good at stairs now.
But they're gonna rain down.
Okay, gotcha. You can just glitch at this spot.
I didn't know that right now. Now I'm glitching.
Yeah. We're pushing in next mech. If you're at the stairs, you can try to get. Just don't die.
I can't get up this wall.
2, 1, let's go.
Pushing.
Push.
Push north.
Push north.
Charge flash waves now. Send them in. Blitz and do it again.
Ang lalim ni Dustin, hindi ko na maulit.
Pop your guardians.
Guardians.
Okay, now start moving back east. Take guild summon gate when you die. Get out of the zone.
Oh, wala nang guild summon.
Oh shit.
Dude, that's a lot of them.
Grabing spear yun. Parang
Oh,
malakas talaga yung backshot na
Get
alliance.
everybody healed up.
oh boy.
Or-
But Kawanashi is from it's a different guild.
Yeah.
Ah. Hindi ba sila kasama? Kuwanashi, backshot, Heaven sa Lina.
We have some guys. Don't be afraid to die.
No, Naisu is back.
Yeah.
It's mech.
Nice on backshot then.
We're pushing north.
Kuwanashi, Go Bananas, Heaven sa Lina, backshot.
Flash waves now. Send them
They're
to
like
spawn
full
north.
guild, I think.
Flash waves.
At least second
Start peeling.
largest
Tornadoes
tayo.
and start peeling back.
Kulti, parang na-DC ata to si Kulti ah.
If he died, just take the summon gate.
May naiso sa taas ah. Ano to mga post? Limsa? Luminsa? Ano to? Spanish? Oh, medic is in the middle.
What? That.
Yeah, hurry needs it. Alright, this next push, we're gonna push towards the boss.
Ano ba tayo sa top 5? Huwag na lang tayo mag-hit.
It's mech, pushing in 3,
Push daw sa boss eh.
1, push straight across the boss.
Push.
Boss daw, boss.
Parang patay na ata natin yung boss.
Blast towards the boss. Keep fighting out.
Pasok tayo sa top 5.
Top 7 na ako, dami namatay.
Yan, top 5 na tayo.
Don't res.
Yeah, it's about to die.
Hindi tayo umabot ng top 5.
Contribution them come back.
7.
Don't rest so that we'll get
Top 7.
Wala.
take over. Itong mag-alliance ito yung Event Arena, Go Bananas, Backshot, Kawanashi. Sila yung mga mag-alliance eh. Walang dagger. Basta for now.